Okay, we are going to begin our drawing in just a piece of paper. And first of all, I draw the limits, the borders of our drawing. Okay, now this will be the horizontal line and the point of where all lines will go. This is a one-point perspective drawing, but without much technicisms and without much effort. You don't need rulers, you don't need anything, just your imagination and intuition. Just remember to draw something far from us. Let's draw each trunk, each tree, smaller than the others, okay? And on the other side, we draw the same. Bigger when it is closer to us, and smaller when it is going far and far away. Okay. As you see, it's easy. If it was a forest, all trunks will go more less or with less order. But as it is a walk in a park, they usually are aligned like this. Now, first suggestions of branches in our trees. As you can see, it's very, very, very easy to draw some trees. Don't hesitate if you need to erase anything, don't worry. Or just leave it and draw over it. Okay? It's been a while since my last upload, but I was something ill. I'm sorry, but nature is nature, and the body is the body, and health is health. So I couldn't upload anything. I hope I'll upload more frequently from now. Okay? Always, as always, please put in comments what drawings, what subjects of drawings you wish to draw, so I can, or if I know how, I can make tutorials, easy tutorials to draw them in pencil or acrylics or whatever. Okay? Now, as you see, each branch is smaller than the branch before. Okay. Now, if you come here first time and you've never been here, I suggest you to walk through my channel because there are hundreds of drawing and painting tutorials. Overall, pencil drawings. And they all are easy to do, okay? This is just a regular eraser. As you see, nothing fancy, only an eraser, and we clean it. Now, just draw the limits of the path in our park. Perfect. Easy and perfect. Because drawing must be easy. It's just a way of art, but drawing is a way to reconnect with yourself. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't be afraid to make something wrong, because it is just a piece of paper and a pencil. When you were a child, you take your pencils and draw a lot and have very fun time. Now you can do it again, and with these tutorials, you may draw realistic things very easy. Don't you think? And soon you will draw your own subjects without my help. You'll see, it's easy if you put yourself to do it. Art is not a watch sport. You must take your pencil. If you don't have so many pencils as I use in this video, you may use whatever your pencil you have in your house. And a piece of paper, a photocopy paper, doesn't matter. What matters is to begin, to catch your paper and begin to draw. And you'll feel the happiness, the peace, and the good things that are drawing. As you can see, to draw my hand, I put a clean piece of paper so I can rest my hand and it is and don't stain the drawing with my hand, with the movements of my hand. This is a 2B pencil. Okay. As you see, it's darker than the HB pencil. All pencils in all countries are designated with the same letters, H and B. B means bold, means darker, higher the number, and then a letter B means darker pencil. And H means just the opposite, higher the H, higher the name before preceding the H letter, and lighter is this pencil. Usually, in artistic drawing, we don't use a much higher drawing than 2H because they are 4H and 6H are used in architecture and technical drawing, not in artistic drawing. We use until 2H, and with the letter B, we use as much pencils we can afford because it gives more interest to your drawing if you have many tones of gray. Okay, with just these little movements like circles, soft and loose circles, you see, we are suggesting leaves in the branches of our drawing. Easy and soft, loose. Make cows, okay? Make cows. It's very beautiful. Now we'll stain more our paper because I'm going to blur this part with a tissue or kitchen paper. Okay. You may use an artistic blending stamp too, but in this case I want to use materials you have in your house. Okay. So to make possible to soften this part and give a gray tone, I must stain the paper with my pencil. The direction of the lines are very important. Now you see we are drawing more and more details without much effort. Now with my tissue or with a kitchen paper, it's the same. And the point and the point of my finger, the point of my finger, I blur some parts, not all, some parts in this way. Be careful and don't press too much, because if you press too much your paper, then it is very hard to erase, to regain lights. As you'll see soon, with an eraser, we will regain lights and forms. This is just the same as if we were painting, giving a background and then drawing over it. As you see, with our eraser, we are drawing too. Eraser is not only a tool to correct mistakes, it's a drawing tool. Now, with a very more dark pencil, we will more character, more dramatism to these shadows. Okay. Remember to sharpen the point of your pencils frequently, so your drawings will be more interesting. Now, some leaves like this, just lines, you see? Easy. Now, drawing must be easy and fun and funny. Okay, as you know, I got another channel in Spanish, my language, my mother language. It is called Arte Vivo y Divertido, and the link to this channel is in the description of this video if you wish to see my videos in Spanish. Because I'm Spaniard, I'm from Spain, and this is my language. But art has not nationalities. Art, like music, are universal language. And must be, because all humans are born artists. Now, be careful, all shadows go to the same direction, okay? If you put shadows in different directions, your drawing will appear weird. Okay. Soft, very soft, giving shadows, giving details, and the division of the shadow. I'll make a new tutorial of shadow techniques, only shadow, like this. Because with shadows, like just darker parts in our drawing, and lights, just lighter parts in our drawing, is the way we make things appear realistic, or at least we try. Okay. As our drawing progressed, we can see it is easy to make things appear. We are like artists. Art, drawing, painting is just like magic, because we make things appear. There is nothing here, just stain, dust, and a paper, flat, but it appears there is a window to another world. With just a pencil and a paper, it is magic, I think. Okay. It is very important things that appear closer to us have more details, more sharp edges, and as things go far, edges must be a little bit blurred, okay? Because as far as an object, we see less details. It's just as we see, as humans. Okay, more branches here. Now, our shadows and the division of the shadow. You see? This part of the shadow is darker and divides light and shadow. Okay, repeat again. This drawing is just a remake of a very, very old tutorial in just the same park, but this drawing was made in a time when I was very sad, a lot of years ago. And now this same park is drawing with leaves and spring, because now I feel my life in other way. I feel better. Because even when you have an illness, you may find joy in your life. It's not easy, but you may find it. Or not. Just be yourself and learn that drawing and art may give you more peace than you can think. It's just a type of mindfulness, and even, yes, mindfulness, yes. As a technique of meditation, yes. Just try. Now we erase this to give lights going through the shadow, you see, of the trees. Okay, cleaning. And now just draw a lonely people walking with simple lines, very, very simple lines, as you see. We draw. Okay. The main character in our movie. He's walking and he's very happy to go through the park. With the 2H pencil, as you see, we remark details very, very easy and make shadows appear darker. Okay, we are just about to finish, and I ask you, what do you think? Do you like drawings like this? Do you like to draw? Put something in comment lines so I can know you and you can know me. Okay, very easy, careful. With an eraser. This is another eraser, but it is the same, a regular eraser. I put anything, I take anything I have a hand. Okay, this is done. What do you think? Do you like it? See you soon. Be very happy and draw a lot. Bye.